I have watched this long video and will summarize it for you, so you can decide if you want to watch it too, with the link in the description. Please like and subscribe. Ray Dalio, founder of the world's largest hedge fund, Bridgewater Associates, joined Tom Bilyeu on Impact Theory to discuss how to survive and thrive in the upcoming financial crisis. Dalio warned that in the next 3-5 years, we will experience difficult economic times similar to the Great Depression of the 1930s. Three key factors are driving this crisis. We are at the end of a long-term debt cycle, where central banks are unable to stimulate the economy by lowering interest rates. There is a large wealth gap, and the U.S. faces rising competition from China. Just as in the 1930s, central banks today are printing money and buying financial assets to provide liquidity. When income falls below expenses without adequate savings, individuals and companies go bankrupt. To prevent this, governments must provide aid through stimulus checks, unemployment benefits, and small business loans. The Federal Reserve creates this money supply digitally to lend to the government and private companies. Dalio advises preparing for the worst-case scenario by calculating your basic living expenses, estimating minimum income requirements, and stress testing your savings duration. A backup plan for basic needs like food, shelter, healthcare, and good relationships provides peace of mind. He recommends finding your passion, aligning work with passion, and ensuring adequate pay. This motivation will drive you to find solutions. There is always a path forward. Connect with others to get advice and different perspectives. Triangulate ideas rather than making solitary decisions. To survive this crisis, limit opinionated thinking. Adopt equanimity through meditation to reduce stress and make better decisions. Prepare for simpler living conditions than you're accustomed to. View challenges as puzzles and focus on the process, not the frustration. Maintain flexibility to reinvent yourself. Develop skills employers need versus what you simply enjoy. Master high-demand roles like healthcare workers on the pandemic front lines. Expand knowledge and abilities valued in any economy. Remain open-minded and humble. Dalio believes bipartisanship and thoughtful leadership are needed to manage economic policies and wealth distribution productively. Avoid electing extremists. Demand civil discourse to unite people behind sensible reforms. Review historical cycles to understand events usually happen for similar reasons. This equips you to navigate difficult periods and reinvent yourself, just as people adapted to the extreme hardships of the 1930s. Expect 3-5 turbulent years, but perspective and preparation will ensure you emerge stronger. Dalio recommends reading his book, Principles, and practicing meditation daily. This will provide frameworks to make optimal decisions and achieve goals through turbulent times ahead. With realistic plans in place, you can view challenges as puzzles and progress through struggle. That's all for this summary. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, set the notification, and drop me a comment. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.